Hey, good day, people. All right, let's get to it. All right, SingularityNET, Fetch.ai, and Ocean Protocol, they're in discussion to do a token merger. I feel like token mergers is going to be something that we're going to see a lot of, especially that we got 2.4 million crypto tokens or crypto projects that are out there on the market. We do know a vast majority of those will fail, 99% for the most part. Now, you have people like Microsoft, Google, Apple, IBM. These are legacy. All right, especially the ones before Google. These blue chip, they have a lot of resources, and they're pouring a lot of money into artificial intelligence. And so, with crypto is very fragmented at the moment. And this is the reason why crypto should have came together in the early stages of this industry and actually self-regulated. If they would have self-regulated, they could have created processes and laws and bylaws to be able to navigate the space in a proper way, having an overarching governing council for the most part. But because they didn't do that, now you're left up to the SEC to determine a lot of things, right? Now you have some form of government intervention that's mingling that doesn't understand its technology. But the reason why I bring that up is because of this industry is fragmented. And in order to get this back or get this on track and fast tracking it, that I think a lot of mergers is probably going to start happening. And so, even though this is being discussed, it's not 100%. We did see a couple of little percentage point gain on all three of these crypto projects. All right. But needless to say, I think this is a great idea. And I think a lot of other projects will need to do some merger because having 2.4 million, if you don't believe me, you look up here. There you go. Crypto, 2.4 million up here at the top left. That's how many. And we know the majority of those are trash, right? So it is what it is. All right, now let's look at this article. You'll see that you think about this. You got the Saudi Arabian government, all right, they're promoting the creation of a $3 billion investment fund to pour into the AI development. They really believe in it. Okay. And then you think about Microsoft already pumped in $13 billion in Chat GPT. You have other countries, you have other Fortune 500 companies. They are looking to really get their stake into AI. Data is huge, right? So you have to respect that. Now, let's look at Fetch.ai. Now, they're looking to work on AI agents, okay? They believe that AI agents will reinvent the way we live and work, okay? Now, this is going to be huge because these AI agents can be very powerful in a way that they're almost like employees, okay, that's working on your behalf. And you're going to see a lot of that in the future, right? Now, let's go down and let's look at some of the things that basically you can, build using the Fetch.ai. You can have a travel booking agent, a deep parking manager, all right, EV charging booking. But this is the agent that's handling all these things for you. So you're going to have robust businesses to be able to build out agents of things that you never thought you would need. Like for instance, what if I can just create an agent that will 100% build out my business plan, uh, build out my marketing, where it handles that. And you have a lot of AI projects that's already doing things like that. But I can build my agent to do that, and then I can attach the machine learning to it, to where, hey, this campaign didn't go well. Where can we improve at? It can learn. It can say, hey, this video had more engagement here. This and maybe we need to adjust here. It's all kind of things you can do. You're gonna have mental health. You're gonna have agents for mental health, where you have counselors. It's gonna be AI driven, and it's gonna learn. It's gonna get better and better and better. Okay, so you got weather oracles over here as an agent. All right, now I don't know exactly what all that would entail, but these are what these agents are able to do with Fetch.ai. I've already loved Fetch.ai as a great uh, crypto project with its use case. I think it's going to continue to grow. All right. You got SingularityNET. Now, this is like a big, huge platform. They want to build an ecosystem where people can develop applications, AI applications, and they can put it on the back on this blockchain and platform. And you can just go into a marketplace and you can buy their AI products that they'll create. So they got a marketplace to go on, so you can visit this marketplace. Okay, and on here, uh, you got various things in the marketplace. Like for instance, up here they got this feature. They got a song splitter. It's the first mobile app to leverage SingularityNet AI services. All right, so it's an application for splitting music and vocals into separate tracks, saving them as separate audio files. So it's going to leverage AI services of Desert Splitter, which is available for demo. All right, so I'm not really deep into music on the back end of that, but I guess someone who's into music, they will understand this and they will use this. All right, now looking through the marketplace, there's really nothing that I see that really grabs my attention. Now I see this over here. They got a hate speech detection. We already see that a lot of online platforms such as Facebook, even IG. You say certain things, you get flagged for the account. So yeah, I mean, I can see, I understand that, but I don't understand it in the form of everyday people such as us using something like this, or maybe some companies, but who knows, right? But yeah, SingularityNet, that's something they want to build, and that's what they want to look for, building out their marketplace. Now, with the integration with Fetch.ai and all those things and having one token, these are all the services they're looking to fuse together to make one big, huge ecosystem. So that's going to be great. All right. Now, look at Ocean Protocol. All right. Sort of similar. Now, they got featured dApps, which is decentralized application, guys. So if you don't understand what a decentralized application is, it's just understand what a centralized application is. Facebook, YouTube. If you got YouTube as an app on your phone, it's a centralized application. It's not decentralized. It's ran by one organization or whatnot, right? It's centralization. Now, the beauty with Ocean Protocol, they have a lot of working products. I like this brainstem health. All right, so let's go ahead and look at it. So with the brainstem health, you can perform decentralized studies. All right, you can improve your life through remote screening, ongoing monitoring, digital treatment, alternative tools to share data with practitioners, researchers, so forth. All right. So you can you can train algorithms using high quality wearables. So this is a wearable technology. So you saw the other video I did before on Jasmine, partner with Panasonic, is they have the IoT devices, Internet of Things. All right. So with this, it's the same thing, wearables. So let's look at the vision. Okay. And on the vision, I'm gonna play this video so you guys can see a little bit. I'm not gonna play the whole entire thing, but we're gonna play a little bit of it. All right.
Data is the oil of tomorrow. This is what will drive innovation. It is an asset that we all produce, yet very few benefit from. Yet it doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Brainstem Digital Health, the future of wearable health data. a wearable enabling you to collect and benefit from your medical grade health data. Designed to be worn during sleep, rest, posture change, and biostimulation exercises. Optimize your well-being through customized breathing exercises, one of many biostimulation integrations to come. Track how these activities affect your body on a daily and monthly basis through a variety of in-depth biomarkers. More than just a wearable, it is an open platform designed to maximize your data's potential, enabling you to own and anonymously transfer your data using blockchain technology in return for reward bounties and IP revenue shares. Through privacy-preserving data sharing, you will help scientific progress without your data ever having to be downloaded. This could lead to new discoveries, responsible for creating algorithms and digital health applications of tomorrow. Our vision is to revolutionize wearable technology through open collaboration. Be the fuel and get rewarded for your participation.
All right. So that is one of the things that you saw that was actually on one of the future dApps, right? So there are multiple ones. I'm not going to go into all of them, all right? But you got science, you got health, um, aerospace, you got supply and demand, matching supply and demand. And this might be something very interesting, especially as an investor. You understand supply and demand. But the future mobility data market, this is huge as well too. All right, so you can publish data sets and AI algorithms for solving challenges of mobility, experience to leverage the decentralized technologies and the European Gaia X data sharing concepts. So, like I said, data is the lifeblood, and with me doing contract work with nonprofit organizations, I understand that data is the life force with a lot of funding these days. People want to see that data. They want to read that data. They need to know about it. Okay. So with these three trying to merge together and create one tokenized economy, I think it's great. I think it's good. I think all three of these projects are really good, regardless. Now, I'm not telling you to go invest in them because, like I said, I don't know what the merger would look like. But regardless, y'all see the power of these and the use cases. And that's what we want to get into. So don't be driven by people saying, well, hey, such and such is going to go from 1 cent to $3 in the future, and you're just driven by price. Get really involved and understand the technology. Start going to these websites, start looking at things. And if you got some conferences you can go to, you can do that as well too. But stop, as investors, don't get so fixated on just price. Start looking at exactly what these technologies are doing, what problems are they solving, and I think that'll help you in the long run. All right. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe. This is your boy E White. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day.